Hello guys, welcome to the MongoDB playlist. In this playlist I will be teaching the MongoDB tutorials. So let's get started. So the first one is installation guide, how to install MongoDB and shell on Windows 11. I will provide this link in the description. Just go ahead and click it. You can install by watching this video on your own. So in this video I will be covering the basic commands and simple CRUD operations, and at the end about MongoDB, some important points which are useful for the interviews. So first, these are the basic commands: create a database, show all databases, and create a collection and show all collections. Before explaining this, I want to give you one brief overview, brief structure of this MongoDB database. Let's take a bag. You have a bag, that is the database, and you have books, those are the collections in the bag. And each book we have pages, each page is a record. So that is the hierarchy that we use in the MongoDB also. There is a database. In the database we have a collections, that means books, and every collection we have a records. So let's open up the terminal and let's try out these commands. Just type mongosh to enter into Mongo shell. So first command is to create the database. Use Sensei. Sensei is the database table name, database name. We switch it to database Sensei. Let's see what all collections are there in this database by writing show collections. As of now there are no collections. We did not created any collections till yet. Let's create one collection. db dot create collection subscriber. We created one collection. Now let's see. You can see there subscriber collection is created. Let's insert. Before inserting, I will show you one more thing. Show DBS. It gives you what all databases are there in this MongoDB in your local system. As of now, there are admin database, configuration database, local, and Sensei. Right now we are in Sensei database. Next, let's see about CRUD operations. We have 4 operations. One is create, update, read, delete. So here we are updating only each record. We are inserting and updating and reading and deleting only one record at a time. Let's go ahead and type it in the terminal. So the first command is create command, create operation. db dot subscribe. We have to first db dot, then we have to select the collection name. Here we have created already subscriber collection, so we are going to use that collection. As basically subscriber is like a book. We are selecting the book and we are writing in that book. We are filling the pages. That's it. db dot subscriber dot insert 1. Open the parenthesis, name Andrew NG, then age 45, close the parenthesis, enter. See, acknowledge true. So the second command is update. Second operation is update operation. Let's update this the record which we created just now. First, let's see how to print these records from the collection table. db dot subscriber dot find. You can see only one record is created as of now. Let's update this record by using the update one operation, command. db dot subscriber dot update 1. So here you have to create 2 parentheses in 2 opening and closing parentheses. One is for finding the which record we have to update, and the second field is to update which value in that record. So first name Andrew NG. So we are finding the records, all records of Andrew NG, and then in the second field we are need to specify which fields we want to update. Set in open parenthesis age equal to 50. Oh, sorry. Just we need to give. You can say acknowledge true. Let's print these records. You can see now the age is updated 50. So coming to next command, we already saw delete command and not delete, insert command and update command. Now let's see the read and delete operations. db dot subscriber dot find one name Andrew NG. Can say one object, one record is retrieved. Now let's delete this record. db dot subscriber dot delete one in open parenthesis name Andrew NG. So acknowledge it true. Now let's see, there are 0 records in the subscriber collection. Now let's see some important points regarding to the MongoDB which are very helpful for the interviews. MongoDB is a document oriented NoSQL database, and MongoDB stores data in the form of collections instead of tables. We usually store the data in tables in SQL queries, but here we store the data in the collections in the JSON format. And MongoDB is written in C++, and MongoDB is a schema-less database. So we don't create any schema before creating any database, or before inserting the data. We don't create any schemas for this MongoDB databases. And it is highly scalable and can handle huge amounts of data. It is easy to use and can be used for real-time applications. Highly available and provides high performance, and it supports replication and sharding, and it can run it can support ad hoc queries and indexing also. So it's a provide the rich query language and most powerful aggregation framework. In the next video we will see how to insert multiple records at a time, how to delete multiple records at a time, and how to update multiple records at a time, as well as how to find multiple records with some conditional operations at a time. Thank you.